Good morning, folks. So today is Wednesday, March 25th, and the lesson is 7.3 in Everyday Math. We're going to talk about multiples of unit fractions, and I'm using a new tool. Let's see if this works today. Every day we can try something new. Multiples of unit fractions, and you'll remember that a unit fraction is any fraction with 1 as the numerator. So we're going to do these two together, and then I'm going to have one for you to do on your own. So write an addition equation and a multiplication equation to describe each picture. My first picture shows one circle divided into 8 equal parts, and one part is shaded. So when I'm writing an addition equation, this is showing me 1/8. And then I have another one here. It's exactly the same. So 1/8 plus 1/8 equals, whoops, you guessed it, 2/8. Now I need to write a multiplication equation, which is nice because I don't have to write as much. It means I have 1/8. Oops, sorry folks, I'm running out of space here. Times 2. 1/8 times 2 equals 2/8 as well, because we know multiplication is really just repeated addition. So what is the second multiple of 1/8? Well, the first multiple of 1/8 is 1/8, so the second multiple is 2/8. Just like the third multiple would be 3/8, and the fourth multiple would be 4/8, etc., etc. If I scroll down to number 2, I have another visual representation, except it's just looks different. It's not a rectangle, it's not a circle, it's just hops on a number line, but each one is 1/5. So this one is just going to be harder for me because I have 6 hops of 1/5. So to show that as an addition equation, I have 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 3 more to go. Plus 1/5. These have to be 1/5 because that's what unit fractions are. Plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Thank goodness we're at the end. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 6/5. And those of you who know me know that the buck doesn't stop there, because I'm going to ask you, can you fit any 5s into 6? Can you make this improper fraction into a whole number or a mixed fraction? You sure can. You can fit 1 5, and then you have 1/5 left over. This is just extra, but everybody loves to do extra. Multiplication equation is going to be a lot easier on my hand because it's just 1/5, but now I get to just simply say times 6. 1/5 times 6 equals 6/5 equals 1 and 1/5. What is the sixth multiple of 1/5? Well, 1/5 is the first, 2/5 is the second, 3/5 is the third, 4/5 is the fourth, 5/5 is the fifth, and 6/5 is the sixth multiple of 1/5. So 6, I hope my space doesn't run out. Fifths. It's under there, trust me, 6/5.